This video is about Catalogue d'Oiseaux by Olivier Messiaen. I'll explain the most important things about the work and the composer. Olivier Messiaen was a French composer and organist who was born in 1908 and died in 1992. He was known for his innovative and often spiritually inspired compositions. Messiaen was particularly interested in the connection between music and religion, as well as in the musical representation of bird song. His most important works include the Quartet for the End of Time and the opera Saint François d'Assise. Messiaen was also an influential teacher, teaching, among others, Pierre Boulez and Karlheinz Stockhausen. Catalogue d'Oiseaux is a piano cycle that Messiaen composed between 1956 and 1958. The cycle consists of 13 pieces, each of which musically represents a particular bird species and its environment. Messiaen was an enthusiastic ornithologist and spent a lot of time recording and studying bird songs. This work is the result of his intensive study of nature and its sounds. Each piece in the cycle not only describes the bird's voice, but also the landscape and atmosphere of the region in question. The Catalogue d'Oiseaux is divided into 13 individual pieces, each representing a different bird species. Each piece is notated in detail and contains precise instructions for the performer on how to present the bird calls and ambient sounds. The pieces vary in complexity and difficulty, but all require a high level of technical and interpretive skill. The structure of each piece is inspired by the natural sounds and rhythms of birds and does not follow any traditional musical scheme. Messiaen used a variety of techniques in Catalogue d'Oiseaux to represent the bird calls and natural environments. These include irregular rhythms, complex harmonies, and unusual tone sequences. He also used his own developed technique of modes of limited transposition to create a unique sound world. The music is often dense and complex, but also rich in colors and textures. Messiaen's detailed notation and precise instructions enable the performer to realize the natural beauty of the birdsong on the piano. Catalogue d'Oiseaux was well received by the music world and is considered one of Messiaen's masterpieces. It has been performed and recorded by many famous pianists, including Yvonne Laurier, the composer's wife, who is considered one of the best interpreters of Messiaen's piano music. The work has also inspired other composers who are interested in the musical representation of nature. Messiaen's innovative techniques and his close observation of nature have had a lasting influence on the development of contemporary music. Messiaen's interest in bird song and nature was deeply rooted in his personal life. He was an avid ornithologist and spent many hours studying and recording bird songs in the wild. This passion is reflected in Catalogue d'Oiseaux, which is a kind of musical diary of his observations. Messiaen's deep religious beliefs and spiritual view of nature also influenced his compositions. His music is often a reflection of his personal experiences and beliefs. Catalogue d'Oiseaux can be compared to other musical works that depict nature, such as Beethoven's Pastoral Symphony or Vivaldi's Four Seasons. However, in comparison to these works, Messiaen's approach is much more detailed and scientific. While Beethoven and Vivaldi depict nature in a more general and romantic style, Messiaen goes directly to the specific sounds and rhythms of the birds. This precise and authentic representation makes Catalogue d'Oiseaux a unique contribution to the history of music. Catalogue d'Oiseaux is a major work of modern music that pushes the boundaries of traditional composition. Messiaen's innovative techniques and detailed notation have opened new avenues for representing nature in music. His work has influenced the development of contemporary music and inspired many composers to engage with the natural world. Messiaen's combination of scientific precision and musical creativity makes him an important figure in modern music. Catalogue d'Oiseau has been performed and recorded by many famous pianists, including Yvonne Laurier, Pierre-Laurent Aimard, and Roger Moraro. Each performance brings new insights and nuances to the work. Pianists must not only bring technical virtuosity, but also a deep connection to nature and an understanding of Messiaen's detailed notation. The diversity of interpretations shows the enduring relevance and fascination of Messiaen's work. Contemporary performances often utilize historical performance practices and scholarly research to present Messiaen's music as authentically as possible.